Chamber of Commerce and Industry KNCCI, in collaboration with owners of recruitment agencies in Lebanon, Soral, has promised to enhance framework and mechanism between Kenyan Association of Private Employment Agencies and Association of Skilled Migrant Agency of Kenya. Speaking during the launch of migrant employment recruitment process in Nairobi, President of Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Eric Ruto, says the country earns a lot from Kenyans working in Lebanon, hence instrumental in Kenya's economic prosperity.
President Joseph Kamal
and all other guests present like guests, and because we are going very fast, introduction, please.
Chairman,
I have a lot of expectation from you. So you have a very big task. Please, your expectations about export, which is led by Madam Nyao.
As the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce, we know government has set the target of 2 trillion in terms of remittances. We want to give ourselves a target of another of 1 trillion to be able to assist government in achieving that target. The next thing in terms of also building our economy is exchange of skills.
Can we have our people be certified to be medically fit in a government hospital in Kenya? Your accrediting body come and go through our hospitals and recommend the ones whom you feel or they feel will offer good services.
Our constant communication and collaboration with the Lebanese General Security, as well as the relevant embassies and consulates, have enabled us to monitor the conditions of female workers in their workplaces. We provide information to the appropriate authorities in cases of complaint.
Now, the government has assured Lower Eastern residents